What's up, Melanin Gang? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a whole month since I've checked in, but that's cool. I'm here now. A lot has changed, as you can see. To my new viewers, what's up? What's good? I hope you find this video pretty dope. If so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in joining the Melanin Gang. As you can see, I'm here with my Amazon wig that I do have a previous video up on, but today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be restyling this baby. I'm tired of her being super long. Like, it's time for something new. I didn't want to go on Amazon and buy me another one, so I'm just like, let me just change this one. So this is my Fuhsi wig I got from Amazon. She is a Caniculon fiber 13 by 6 inch lace front wig. She's like super duper long, and the color is number 103 from the website, but I just say she's a 613 because she obviously looks like a 613 to me. I don't know about the number 103, but she is really long, and she's still decent from the previous numbers of times that I've used her. But she is a Caniculon fiber, so her ends were getting a little rusty, we're getting a little fuzzy, so I'm like, okay, let me switch her up. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting her into a bob, washing it, and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing how I change her up, just keep on watching. Okay, so to wash the unit, I'm going to be using the silicone mix shampoo. Also, to clean the perimeter of the unit, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena makeup remover cleanser. This is something that I always do. I highly encourage you guys to do the same. It really works. Not sure if any other brand, but Neutrogena Naturals really does. And to condition the unit, I'm going to be using the silicone mix conditioner. It's going to bring the softness back into the unit and things like that. So yeah. And also blow drying the unit with this Revlon blow dryer, and using these two tools, just to comb and the edge brush control. I'm also going to straighten the unit with this flat iron. And here's the finished look, y'all. I kind of wanted to go in with a side part because I hardly do side parts, and I felt like it was kind of pretty cute. So this is how the other side looked. Also, the link to this wig's first unboxing will be down below. Give this video a thumbs up if this is what you like. To my new viewers, thank you guys for making it throughout the whole video. You is a real one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Join the Melanin Gang. Let me know what you think about this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comment below, and let me know. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.